I'm gonna go ahead and pull this stuff back off, and I'm gonna get the inside stuff welded in.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a fucking monster project here. This one got blasted in this back corner. Whenever I cut this out, the roof is gonna wanna drop. So I am slowly getting this one all fit together. I got these inner pieces in this corner right here all fit together, and the back panel and the taillights and everything fits good. Liftgate seals good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this stuff back off, and I'm gonna get the inside stuff welded in, and then once that's welded and finished, then I can start fitting more parts on and build it out from there. But that way, whenever I get the inner stuff welded in, I won't have to pull everything back apart again. I could have the inside parts finished and then work out from there. So I'm gonna pull this back apart. Alright, I'm going to walk you guys through where I'm at on this puzzle right now. I have this inner stuff in the two inner pieces here and this rear body panel. The outer taillight panel is screwed in place, ready to weld. This piece is just sitting on here right now. I gotta fit some more stuff up still. I have this piece that goes inside of here, and then also the pocket that goes on the outside, something like that. There's 3 pieces to the wheelhouse. It's gonna go up in there. Then I have this center floor piece. These pieces I'll put on last, and each of the side corner pieces. But now I am going to go ahead and start making my cuts on my quarter panel and start getting the panel fit up. And then once I know that's fitting good, I'll get back into those other pieces. So the GM procedures say I could section this anywhere in this area. They want me to actually do a 1-inch overlap. So I have the car cut right at this line, and I'm going up 1 inch from there, 25 millimeters, and I'm gonna cut this panel right there. And then I'll do a similar thing on this side as well. And it's gonna have a 1-inch overlap whenever I put it up on there. I have this outer panel roughly fit up. My door gap looks really good. It lines up with the taillight pocket just like it's supposed to. The main thing I wanted to know is that it's lining up with this inner panel correctly, and it looks like it sits up to it perfectly. So I'm gonna lift it back off, and I'm gonna get that inside panel welded in, and then I'll also start getting these 2 pieces welded in as well. And then I'll get back to the quarter panel later.